Welcome back. Now the frontal system is currently across the island and moving further towards the east. We can see that distinct line of clouds from the southern or the southwestern portion of the Caribbean across the Jamaica area, across southern Cuba and into the Atlantic. We do have some heavy showers that are occurring across sections of Westmoreland and also across some sections of Hanover. Earlier this afternoon, we did measure rainfall in excess of 20 millimeters across sections of central Westmoreland. We're expecting the system to continue moving further eastward, and in eastern and central parishes are expected to be under the influence tonight going into tomorrow. Now, the forecast for tonight is for partly cloudy to mostly cloudy conditions across most of the area. We're expecting the temperatures to drop to about 23 degrees Celsius for Kingston and for Montego Bay. We're expecting the winds out of the northwest should be anywhere between 10 and 15 knots on both the north and south coasts. And then for the morning tomorrow, expect partly cloudy skies with isolated showers, especially across eastern and central sections of the island. And then for the afternoon, we're looking for isolated showers mainly across sections of northern and southwestern parishes. We do have strong winds and cool conditions across most of the island as well. We're expecting the temperatures to reach about 25 degrees Celsius in Kingston, and also in Montego Bay, we're expecting the temperature to get to about 25 degrees Celsius. Now, our breakdown has partly cloudy conditions across sections of the area. We do have isolated showers, especially across sections of the southwest in Santa Cruz, Black River, as well as Savannah, Lamar, and Negril. We are also expecting it to be partly cloudy to mostly cloudy for Lucy. Isolated showers are likely in the morning in Montego Bay and Falmouth. Elsewhere across the area, we're looking for partly cloudy skies and isolated showers across the north. That's in St. Anne's Bay, Ocho Rios, as well as in Port Maria and Port Antonio. We're expecting it to be partly cloudy in Golden Spring and Bogwalk, also in Moortown, Richmond, Cave Valley, Duncans, and Grange Hill, also for Christiana. Windy conditions are expected to prevail across most of the area. We do have windy conditions expected on Monday. Also on Tuesday, we're looking for strong winds across the area. And then on Wednesday is isolated afternoon showers and generally sunny conditions in the morning. Now for the marine forecast, there is a small craft warning that is in effect for inshore areas of the north tomorrow. We're expecting the winds out of the northwest at 20 to 25 knots with wave heights between 2 and 2.5 meters. For the south tomorrow, we're expecting the winds out of the north-northwest at 20 knots. We're expecting wave heights to get up to about 2 meters. And then for offshore areas, expect winds from the north-northwest at 20 to 25 knots with gusts getting up to 35 knots. So we're expecting the wave heights to be anywhere between 2.5 getting up to about 4 meters for offshore areas of both the north and south coasts. And that's it for the weather report and forecast for this evening. But we thank you so much for watching.